Hi everyone! Today let's learn about pets through fun pictures and the sounds they make. Dog. The dog guards the farm. Cat. The cat is sleeping in the barn. Duck. The duck swims in the pond. Rabbit. The rabbit eats carrots. Cow. The cow gives us milk. Pig. The pig is rolling in the mud. Rooster. The rooster crows every morning. Hen. The hen lays eggs every day. Chick. The chick is small and yellow. Goat. The goat is climbing the hill. Sheep. Sheep have thick wool. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Monkey. The monkey is eating a banana. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Horse. The horse is eating grass in the field. Leopard. The leopard runs very fast. Tiger. The tiger has black stripes. Kangaroo. The kangaroo jumps high. Elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. Crocodile. The crocodile lives in the river. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Together with Your Child. Learn English so you won't miss our newest videos.